inequality in society. He talks about casteism, racism. And to portray this, he talks about the life of a girl, Prakriti, who has been confined to a life of knowing that she is an untouchable. Her parents, her entire community make her believe in that. But she is someone who yearns to be part of the society that she feels that the other girls of her age belong to. And she constantly questions her mother, Maya. But her mother, because of conditioning, is resigned to her fate, that she is from a society where she does not belong to the normal. Prakriti comes in touch with Anando, a Buddhist monk, who requests her for water. And she obviously says that, no, I can't give you water. And if you drink water from my hands, you will also lose your caste. You will lose your space in society. And then, but this interaction brings an awakening in her. Because he tells her that, no, the blood that is flowing in your veins is the same that is flowing in mine. So you are my equal. God has made you like that. So there is an awakening in her. And later, when she does not get proximity to Anando, the Buddhist monk, she compels her mother, because her mother knows a lot of mantras, and her mother knows ways of black magic. And she's telling her that, you please get Ananda back for me. Although it is a dangerous, dark path that she is wanting to follow, but her mother, because of her love for her daughter, agrees to do that. But somewhere Prakriti realizes her mistake, that by doing so, she is pulling Anando from a space of light, apologizes immensely for what she has done to him. This is Chandalika. And why did Srijan choose this dance drama? This is in sync with what we always say, that Rabindranath Tagore is so relevant even today because of the themes that he spoke about, because he was a champion of humanity, the ultimate humanist. And we all have to agree that even in 2025, there are so many realities where people are divided in caste, divided by race, divided by religion, divided by gender. Even now, we know that Dalits are confined to the outside, the outskirts of society. They do not get the opportunities that we get. In fact, no right to education, no right to proper water, and they even don't get a right to cremate their bodies in a cremation ground meant for the so-called non-Dalits. So Rabindranath Tagore wrote this in 1933, and little seemed to have changed even in 2025. So we thought that we wanted to talk about this, and which is why we bring to you dance drama Chandalika.
দই চাই গো ওরে চন্ডালিনী নষ্ট হবে যে দই সে কথা জানো না তুই ওকে ছুঁয়ো না মিথ্যা দুঃখ করে থাকতবে থাক তুই করে থাকতবে থাক তুই করে রোদের সোনা ছড়িয়ে পড়ে, রোদের সোনা ছড়িয়ে পড়ে, ধরার আঁচলে ধরি হায় হায় আলোর হাসি উঠলো জেগে, পাতায় পাতায় চমক লেগে, মনের খুশি ধরে না গো, মনের খুশি ধরে না গো, ওই যে উঠলে ধরি হায় হায়।
কোন বাতাল বাসি অপনে বাতাল সোনা তোকে ভুলিয়ে নিয়ে যাবে, আমি মন্ত্র করে খাটাবো তার মায়া। কিসের ডাক তোর কিসের ডাক, সারা নগরে কি কোথাও নেই জন? কেন এলেন আমার মোর ধারে, আমাকে দিলেন সহসা।
কেউ জোর শুনবো না, শুনবো না, শুনবে না তোর রানী, জাদু করে মন্ত্র পড়ে ফিরে আনতেই হবে, খালাস পাবি তবে ও চারণের বউ, খালাস পাবি তবে ও চারণের বউ।
ওরে বাছা দেখতে পারিলে তোর দুঃখ, ওরে বাছা দেখতে পারিলে তোর দুঃখ। নাই সত্য নাই মিথ্যা, নাই ভালো নাই মন্দ, দুর্বল হোসনে হোসনে এইবার বার তোর শেষ নাগ মন্ত্র, নাগ পাশ মন্ত্র মন্ত্র।
এখনো জানেনি রসদল বাসিতে লাগেনি, এখনো জানেনি রসদল বাসিতে লাগেনি।
প্রভু এসেছো ধারেতে আমায়, দিলে তার এত মূল্য, নিলে তার এত দুঃখ প্রভু।
কল্যাণ হোক তব কল্যাণী।
বুদ্ধ
সুশুদ্ধ করুণা নমঃ।